大家好，欢迎回到费青跟 AI 学英文。我们这个频道会为你提供最有趣的学习英文资源。准备好了吗？让我们一起开始吧。一、学校提供各种课程。The school offers various courses. 二、我每天早上八点到校。I arrive at school at 8 a.m. every morning. 三、我最喜欢的科目是数学。My favorite subject is mathematics. 四、我们的老师非常友善。Our teacher is very friendly. 五、课堂上禁止使用手机。Using mobile phones in class is prohibited. 6. 我在学校图书馆借了几本书。I borrowed a few books from the school library. 7. 我们在实验室进行科学实验。We conduct science experiments in the laboratory. 8. 学校有一个大操场。The school has a large playground. 9. 我们的校服是蓝色和白色的。Our school uniform is blue and white. 10. 每周一我们都有升旗仪式。We have a flag-raising ceremony every Monday. 11. 在学校食堂我们可以买午餐。We can buy lunch at the school cafeteria. 12. 学校的运动会每年举行一次。The school sports day is held once a year. 13. 这学期我选修了历史课。I have elected to take a history class this semester. 14. 学校的图书馆有多有趣的书籍。The school library has many interesting books. 4. 下课后我参加了篮球队的训练。After class, I attended basketball team practice. 16. 我们需要完成老师布置的家庭作业。We need to complete the homework assigned by the teacher. 17. 学校有一个专门为学生设计的自习室。The school has a study room designed specifically for students. 一培我们有5节课。We have 5 periods of classes each day. 19. 我们的英语老师很幽默。Our English teacher is very humorous. 20. 我们学校的校长很关心学生。The principal of our school cares a lot about the students. 21. 学校的图书馆每天开放到晚上6点。The school library is open until 6 p.m. every day. 22. 我们在体育课上学习篮球和足球。We learned basketball and soccer in physical education class. 23. 学校的实验设备很先进。The school's laboratory equipment is very advanced. 24. 下周我们有一个数学考试。We have a math test next week. 学校举办了科技展览会。The school organized a science fair. 26. 我们在音乐课上学习了如何弹钢琴。We learned how to play the piano in music class. 27. 学校提供免费的心理辅导服务。The school provides free psychological counseling services. 28. 我们每天都要上2节语文课。We have 2 language classes every day. 学校的环境非常优美。The school's environment is very beautiful. 30. 我们的考试成绩会在下周公布。Our exam results will be announced next week.